guys, we're gonna make some more with Tamara.
Okay. Are we doing like a Christmas bow or what?
I think we are.
What did hers look like? Let's do the polka dots. I like polka dots.
Polka dots? What'd you pick up? Polka dot?
Polka dots.
Okay. So, what do you want to go with the polka dot? I know what I want.
You pick what you want. I like this one. You pick
Look how cute this will be with it.
Okay.
That'll be cute. You want to just do it too?
I don't know.
We
Sure.
can do a different pattern.
I do not know how to do this. So
Okay.
I don't know how many we're supposed to pick.
Well, let's just do it a little easier than the
Yeah,
last
make
one.
it simple.
Okay.
Simple as
We can do
possible.
that. So let's start off with the 20-inch tail. So that's the whole length. So you don't do anything but measure. So you gotta measure it first. Okay.
Oh, and we're gonna.
And so you just kind of mark with your finger. Okay. And then bring it to the middle. Okay. So now you're gonna take and you're gonna twist it. And the right hand's gonna go forward.
Okay.
You have to do them at the same time.
What?
Please.
I'm already messed it up.
So this one's go forward. The
Oh, you're
twist
doing
needs
your
to be
hand.
right between.
Okay.
So see, this one's gonna go forward. And this
Okay.
one's gonna go back.
She is a good teacher. Okay, and do we push it all the way down? or
Yes,
does that
that's
matter?
perfect. Yes, because we're gonna keep layering them up.
Okay, I'm afraid to take my hand off. Is it gonna go anywhere?
I'll hold it for you.
Okay.
So I like to push this back
Okay.
with my left hand. Just get it out of my way.
Okay.
All right, and now I'm ready to make my loop. Let's go a little bit smaller at 6 inches.
6 inches.
Yeah.
Kind of like stop and fold it over.
Yes, and we don't want
No?
to make it flat at all.
We don't
want
want to crease
be
it.
nice
So you put
and
your hand
curved.
inside there?
Yeah, just inside as you bring it back.
Okay.
Okay. You can do it. I'm sorry.
So once I get it in between there, do
Now
I
you're ready to do your twist. Yeah.
this one forward? Do we
And
switch
that's
it?
where it
Oh, we
zooms
have
in
to
at.
switch it every
Opposite?
time. That's kind of good.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Every time you have to switch it because we have to flip it around.
Okay. Yes.
So now
get
you're
some
gonna do
more.
another 6. Yep.
Okay.
You got this.
I can do this. So now this one goes, or does it matter that was
So
I
now,
supposed to?
no, you're fine. You're fine now. You're ready to do your twist. So you want to keep this one flat. So this is the first key that you
Okay.
need to twist that one because
Oh.
this needs to stay true.
So just
Okay?
twist it so the one you made just stays on top.
Yes. So that's why it alternates each
That's
time.
fine. Now are we doing 6 again? What are
We
doing?
do. We're gonna do 2.
Okay.
We need 2
2
of this.
6
I'm gonna do a really simple bow for her. Okay. There you go. Good job. Okay, and now we're done twisting. We've got 2 on each side. So
we
you
don't
just do what.
stop that one there. Like,
Yeah, and instead of twisting, you need that tail to come
Oh.
straight. So we just do like a little. I call it a scrunch, but basically you're just gathering.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Good. So then hold it while you cut your next tail.
So we just measure it
I
against
just
the last
matched.
one.
Yep. Exactly. You got it.
I like these scissors.
We're gonna switch it out to the white and black. Okay, she's so cute for Frosty or something.
Yes.
Okay,
Same thing.
so
or?
the one thing I like to do is have this roll to the outside.
So it's always
So it
coming
stays out of your way. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna do the same thing. The tail will be 8. So we're not sure. Yeah, just kind of eyeball.
Sorry,
it.
so about like that, and then I put my finger in it.
Exactly. Oh, you're catching on real fast. Good job. Okay, so now we're ready to do our first twist here.
But this has to be.
Yes, bingo.
Okay.
Yes.
And how wide is this?
So we have been at I think
Sorry,
we've been
y'all.
at
Got
6, so
distracted.
let's go. 5.5.
5.5.
Yep.
So, we don't have to do it perfect.
No, you don't have to be perfect at all. And when we get to that fluffing part, we can always just pull it a little more or less, or just a little bit. Perfect. She's getting the twist down. Good job. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's stop there and scrunch. Scrunch.
Oh,
So we're not
it's
twisting
gonna be a
more.
tail?
Yes, tail.
Okay, so one loop on that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. This one's a little shorter though. Isn't it?
Cut them to match. Because this one has that little.
Oh, okay.
Okay, is this the biggest bow you've ever made?
Probably. It's probably gonna be the best bow
You
ever
always make
made.
little ones? Pretty much.
Yeah, they're always like 6 inches, 8 inches.
Oh,
I don't know, they're
okay.
little.
Okay. So let's go ahead and let's stop here.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing with the cable tie. So you're gonna run it off the side. So just right along those. So you don't have to have tons of layers, guys. You can take it slow.
And then
Okay, before you do anything, you need to bring this all the way up. So while you're doing this, you're kind of holding on top.
Oh, bringing it up.
Yes, and now we're gonna, because we need it to be in the middle.
Right,
If you do it down
not
there,
to
it'll
the
be
side.
off to the side. And before I take it off, I did it somewhat reversed. Now you can take it off.
Okay. So that
And
it
now
doesn't-
we have to float, but we have to hold it. We have to hold pressure,
Okay.
even though this isn't tight yet.
Okay.
Okay? So hold your thumb in the middle, And I just kind of put it between those two things. Yep. And now you can hold pressure and fluff it aggressively. Be the boss of your bow.
Aggressively
Boss.
You do. You have to be like really aggressive with. You want to get the everything
Well,
picked
everybody
out
was
like that.
asking if this is wired ribbon, and so
Yes.
is all the ribbon that Damon sells wired.
Everything is going to be
Okay.
wired. Yeah, he's not going to carry
I like
because
the
it
wired
makes you
stuff.
look like you're just that much
Yeah.
better. You know, if you're going to put on your door hangers or your wreaths, it's just going to present it so much better.
Okay. So
You're
I don't know
good.
how much I need to
So
go with.
no, that's perfect. That's cute. So
Good
now we're
job.
going to add that to the back.
Why?
Because that's how we're going to attach it to our wreath.
Oh, see, I
It-
forget that part. I
if you're
staple my
gonna-
bows on my door hangers, so
Okay.
that's probably enough.
You can use like a pipe cleaner or whatever you want there to make it easier.
I always do it wrong the first time.
It-
Almost
it
every
happens.
single time.
It
So
still
I can
happens.
tighten this all the way up, right?
Well,
Or
you're
no?
That's
Going
okay.
on a wreath.
You're
Okay.
tightening the wrong one. We'll do it.
Start over.
We'll do it again. She just tightened the attachment one. But you had it going the right way.
I did.
Now you're good to do the other. Nope.
No?
Because we're not putting it on
Oh,
wreath
I
yet.
thought I was gonna go ahead and close it. So
Yeah,
I'm
because
closing
if you
this
come
one.
back later and try to do that, it's really difficult.
Do I
You
need
wanna-
to make sure this is on the back?
Yes, keep it
Okay.
to the back. Yep. Hold it
Pull
really
it
tight.
as tight as I can go.
Yes! Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, then you get to make the choice. What do you want to put in the center?
What do you mean?
Well, we got it. We can't leave this tacky cable tie, shall we?
So,
You want the red? You want the black?
oh, so we just have to cover the center with some kind of red.
Yeah,
Let's do
yeah.
some red.
Let's do some red, okay?
So do we just use this again?
Well,
Or
let's
do we need a
how about we
skinnier
take
one?
that little red and just slice it.
Okay.
That would work. And you could always use a totally different red.
Mhm.
And then just fold it so you get it escape. And we want to hide the green because we don't have any green going on in this.
Okay, so it's just to disguise.
Yeah, it's just to
You guys
hide
see,
the.
we like folded
the
all
whole
the green
center.
to the back.
Yeah.
It's just to
Oh,
hide
perfect. That was so
the.
cute.
That's cute. I like that. How do we make it stay? Do we just tie a knot?
Two little knots. If you
Two
can
little
get two
knots.
into it, that way you don't have to come back and glue it. If the ribbon's too thick, then you can get one and just tap it with a little bit of glue. But if you can get two, you're good to go.
The green's probably gonna start showing.
It won't. We're gonna trim that off.
Okay.
It'll all be in the back. Oh, girls. Oh, you got the muscle.
I don't want it coming undone.
Just gotta be
After
aggressive with the ribbon.
all this hard work, we don't want it to just unravel.
Yeah, so we call this a 2-1. Really simple, easy
Yeah.
bow, but there you go.
Hopefully I can remember to do it when I get home, but maybe I'll just rewatch my Facebook Live.
Yeah, there you
It's
go.
right here
And I'll
for you.
remember
Yeah,
that.
yeah.